My name is Aaron Pino and I'm the CEO of iBAG Intelligent Dry Cleaning, Australia's leader in pickup and delivery dry cleaning. iBAG has humble beginnings as a small family business, starting with my mum and dad 35 years ago in a small dry cleaning plant in Melbourne's west. From these humble beginnings, the iBAG vision was created and has since grown to become Australia's leading tech-assisted dry cleaning and laundry platform. Operating in Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane, Canberra, Adelaide and Perth, iBAG is Australia's only national dry cleaning brand and is the only dry cleaner in the country that has created their own dedicated software platform, including a customer and delivery driver app, setting us apart from the competition. The iBAG customer app provides a seamless journey from start to finish and is enhanced by consistent communication about the status of your order. The platform ensures consistency across the regions in which iBAG operates and is built on solid foundations, partnering with globally recognised companies like Stripe for payments and Microsoft Azure for Australian-based hosting. iBAG is also committed to trying to lead by example. The iBAG garment bag is designed in-house and is one of a kind. It's environmentally friendly and aims to reduce reliance on one-time plastic usage in the dry cleaning industry. iBAG has strong relationships with over 130 commercial and residential buildings across the country, partnering with some of Australia's leading commercial and residential property ownership and management companies. Our custom technology allows seamless integration with smart parcel lockers, allowing customers contactless pickup and drop off in commercial and residential environments. iBAG is integrated with building lifestyle apps, allowing commercial and residential building owners to provide one central building app for their tenants to access a multitude of amenities, including dry cleaning. Integration means that orders placed in the building app flow directly into the iBAG system, allowing for seamless order management by the team, elevating the overall customer experience and greatly improving communication with the customer. iBAG is a network of dedicated dry cleaning professionals, all family businesses in their own right, coming together with the power of innovative custom technology to provide an industry-leading service for the corporate and residential markets in Australia.